Okay, here we have an CMOS Travelmate 201T, and if we power this machine on, you'll see when it boots up that the CMOS battery is bad. Okay, so we've there got the CMOS battery bad, real-time clock error. So obviously the battery in this machine has actually gone dead. So if we just switch this off, the way to actually get into the Travelmate is not through the bottom as I originally thought. There are actually two screws at the back where the ports are, so one just here. And one at the other side. I'll just take the power cable out for now. So if we open up the PC now, and screws to one side, the hinge should now slide out to the right and to the left and come off completely. These covers just get removed like that. Once you've removed the hinge covers, as you can see there, the central panel just clicks to the right and should lift out. And once that's out of the way, the keyboard, with a little bit of fiddling, should just lift and move forward slightly. And just fold down like that. So we now have access to the internals. Now the CMOS battery is actually underneath the silver panel that you can see there, and there are two screws here, one just here and one just here, that need to be unscrewed as well. So if we just take those out. And with those two removed, this silver panel here should just slide down and come away. And now we can see the actual battery is here, so you'll probably need a little screwdriver or something to pop that out. And that should just remove like that. Get a replacement battery. Should just fit in and pop into place. And once that's done, it's a case of replacing the metal shield again. This just slides up into place, making sure that the metal tabs go underneath the metal at the top. And reinsert the screws. Replace the keyboard, and it's just little tabs just fit underneath here, and it should just click into place at the top. Again, replace the centre part. This goes in and then slides just back to the left. Place the hinge covers. And then finally back in with the screws, keep the hinge covers in place. we reapply the power. Hopefully this time you should see the BIOS start up properly. Obviously with the battery being bad you may have to reset the BIOS settings the first time. Yeah, so we have a checksum error, enter setup F2. We should be able to now set the clock. And then exit that, save the CMOS settings, and this time when it does its post checks it should just go straight through. And there we have it. The CMOS battery replaced, Windows starting up.